Hi guys, Felix this side, and we've got some hot news fresh from the Apple orchard. Apple just dropped their latest gadget, the Apple Pencil USB-C model. It's got everyone talking, especially with rumors about the new iPad Air and iPad Mini lurking on the horizon. But let's get down to the basics and see what's up with this new Apple Pencil. First things first, you'll love the price tag on this one. It's wallet-friendly, priced at $80, which is a steal compared to the second-gen pencil at a hefty $130. The catch? It's designed specifically for the 10th generation iPad, the one with that shiny USB-C port. This pencil attaches magnetically, charges via USB-C, and is remarkably precise. It can detect tilt angles accurately, making it a solid choice for both artists and note-takers. However, there are some quirks you should know about. It doesn't have pressure sensitivity, which might disappoint the artists out there. This means you can't vary the line thickness by adjusting your touch, which might be a bummer for some. Also, that handy double tap feature for quick tool switching, well, it's missing in action in this model. So if you're a fan of that efficiency, you might want to stick with the second-gen pencil. Compatibility-wise, it's all about the iPad 10th generation. If you're still rocking an older iPad model or the iPad Mini 5th generation, this pencil won't be your sidekick. In a nutshell, if you're the proud owner of an iPad 10th generation and you're on a budget, this new USB-C Apple Pencil is your best buddy. It's cost-effective and still packs a punch. But if you're an artist and can't do without pressure sensitivity and the double tap magic, the second-gen pencil might be your true love. So there you have it, the lowdown on Apple's most recent creation. This pencil might be your new best buddy, whether you're sketching, taking notes, or just having fun. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.